Ripple versus the SEC is one of the most important legal battles in crypto history. Since 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has claimed that Ripple Labs illegally sold XRP as an unregistered security. But Ripple has fought back, arguing that XRP is a digital asset just like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This case is more than just a lawsuit, it's a battle over how crypto will be regulated in the future. In this deep dive, we'll break down everything. What exactly is a security? Why does the SEC believe XRP qualifies as one? How has the court ruled so far? And what does all this mean for Ripple, XRP investors, and the entire crypto market? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this case matters and what could happen next. What is a security? To understand this case, we first need to define what a security is. In simple terms, a security is a financial instrument that represents ownership in a company or an investment in an asset with the expectation of profit. The US SEC uses the Howey test to determine whether something is a security. This test comes from a 1946 Supreme Court case and includes 4 key criteria. Investment of money, investors put their money into the asset. Common enterprise, the asset is tied to a business or project. Expectation of profit, investors expect to make money from their investment. Efforts of others, the profit comes from the work of the company or organization, not from the investor's own efforts. If an asset meets all 4 criteria, it is considered a security under U.S. law and must be registered with the SEC. The SEC claims that XRP meets these criteria because Ripple Labs sells XRP to fund its operations, and investors expect Ripple's success to increase XRP's value. Ripple, on the other hand, argues that XRP is a decentralized digital currency that operates independently of Ripple Labs. SEC's case against Ripple. In December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and co-founder Chris Larsen. The lawsuit claims that Ripple raised over $1.3 billion by selling XRP as an unregistered security. The key arguments from the SEC include: Ripple sold XRP to fund its business, similar to how companies sell shares in an IPO. Ripple controlled XRP's supply and distribution, influencing its price and market availability. Investors bought XRP expecting Ripple to boost its value, which fits the definition of a security. The SEC also pointed out that Bitcoin and Ethereum are decentralized because no single company controls them, whereas Ripple has a strong influence over XRP. Therefore, the SEC believes that Ripple violated securities laws by not registering XRP as a security before selling it. Ripple's defense. Ripple Labs strongly disagrees with the SEC's claims. Their defense includes several key arguments. XRP is a currency, not a security. Ripple argues that XRP functions as a digital currency, similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Since currencies are not classified as securities, Ripple believes the lawsuit is baseless. Ripple does not control XRP. The company insists that XRP transactions occur on a decentralized blockchain and are not dependent on Ripple Labs. XRP sales were legal worldwide. Ripple points out that many international regulators, including those in Japan and the UK, consider XRP a currency, not a security. Unfair treatment by the SEC. Ripple argues that the SEC gave special treatment to Bitcoin and Ethereum while unfairly targeting XRP. These arguments have played a major role in Ripple's fight against the lawsuit. Court rulings and major developments. Over the past few years, there have been several key rulings and developments in the case. July 2023, Judge Torres landmark ruling. Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that XRP was not a security when sold to retail investors on exchanges. However, sales to institutional investors were considered investment contracts, meaning they violated securities laws. This ruling was a partial victory for Ripple, as it clarified that everyday XRP holders were not engaging in securities transactions. January 2025, SEC appeals. The SEC appealed the ruling, arguing that the distinction between retail and institutional sales was flawed. The outcome of this appeal could have major consequences for XRP and the entire crypto industry. What this means for crypto investors. The Ripple versus SEC case is about more than just XRP. The ruling will set a precedent for how other cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US. If the SEC wins the case, many altcoins could face similar lawsuits, increasing regulatory pressure on the industry. If Ripple wins, it could limit the SEC's ability to classify digital assets as securities. For XRP holders, the lawsuit has already impacted the token's price and adoption. A final victory for Ripple could lead to greater institutional adoption and a price surge, while an SEC victory could result in heavy fines and restrictions on XRP's use in the US. The SEC versus Ripple case is one of the most important legal battles in crypto history. It raises fundamental questions about how digital assets should be regulated and whether the SEC has overstepped its authority. While XRP has scored major victories, the fight isn't over yet. What do you think? Should XRP be classified as a security, or is the SEC unfairly targeting Ripple? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth crypto content. See you in the next video.